Okay, so this is our metro today, Unit 4. Spring is coming. Atau musim semi telah tiba. Okay, so here, musim semi. Kalau kita adanya musim kemarau dan musim hujan. Dry season and rainy season. So here we have spring season. Okay, so now here, can you imagine about spring season? Bayangkan kalau kalian ada di musim semi ya. Imagine that you are in spring season. And then here we have this for warm-up question. So here we have three sentences. You can answer one number. Jadi boleh pilih number one, two, or three. Bebas mau pilih salah satu. Number one, number two, or number three. You can choose which one do you want to try. And then you can answer by your opinion. So if you want to try, you can raise your hand. Kalau mau mencoba boleh banget nih untuk angkat tangan ya. Karena di sini ada kayak, for example, number one, I know it is spring when. Jadi aku tahu ini musim semi ketika kayak contohnya when the flowers start to bloom. Jadi bunga-bunga mulai bermekaran. So the flower starts blooming. Bunga-bunga mulai bermekaran. So that is for the example ya, itu contohnya. So now here I want you to make sentence about your ideas about spring. Ide kalian atau opini kalian tentang musim semi spring. Okay, now if you want to try to answer, you can raise your hand or you can say
Can
it.
I try?
Okay, Radit, please.
Number two.
Okay, number two, please.
In spring, I like to swimming.
Okay, I like to swim. You can answer swim, yeah?
Yeah.
Swim. Okay, so in spring, I like to swim. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Radit.
Okay.
Okay, I will give you the explanation again, yeah, for like. Here, I like and I like to. Nah, di sini penggunaannya beda ya. Kalau I like, ini harus lanjutannya adalah verb ing. I like swimming. Kalau I like to, itu pakainya verb satu atau verb biasa. Contoh, for the example, here we have this verb ing and verb one. For verb one, we have swim. Nah, kalau verb ing-nya adalah swimming. How about read? We have reading. Okay, now I want everyone make the example for verb one and verb ing. Semuanya membuat contoh untuk verb one dan juga verb ing ya. Ada yang mau mencoba buat contoh? Ini contohnya ada swim menjadi swimming, read menjadi reading. Ada yang mau mencoba lagi? Semuanya membuat ya. Oke, who wants to try? Radit, you wanna try first? Oke, Radit belum? Atau Dita, mau coba Dita? Oke, jadi membuat contoh untuk perbedaan perpindahan dari verb satu menjadi verb ing. Contohnya swim berubahnya menjadi swimming. Read menjadi reading. Yang lainnya boleh banget nih untuk mencoba. Ilham, mau coba Ilham?
Yes.
Oke, what is it?
Eat, eating.
Oke, that's good. It menjadi eating. Oke, that's great. Oke, this is for Ilham.
Can I
Siapa lagi
try?
mau coba? Oke, Radit.
Walk, walking.
Oke, walk menjadi walking. Oke, that's great. Good job, Radit.
Can
Oke,
I try?
next. Oke, Shasha.
Drive,
Draw,
drive.
drive.
Yeah, driving.
Oke, that's good. Drive menjadi driving. Oke, this is Sasha. Oke,
I want to
next. Oke, Dita.
drink and drinking.
Drink comes drinking. Oke, that's good, Dita. Okay, one more. Nisha. You want to try, Nisha? Okay. Let me just broken my idea. Okay, please. Boleh banget ya, Nisha? Boleh banget. It's okay. You can typing. You can type it ya. You can type your answer in the chat box. Boleh banget ditulis di chat box ya. Spin menjadi spinning. Okay, that's good. Spin menjadi spinning. This is from Nisha. Okay, this one, two, three, four, five. Okay, we have five. From Ilham, Radit, Sasha, Adita, and Nisha. Okay, that's good. So that is for this. Jadi kayak I like to read, kayak suka membaca, bisa I like reading atau I like to read. Jadi tinggal pilih mau pakai yang like atau pakai like to. Jadi kalau like to bisa I like to swim atau menjadi I like to sorry, I like swimming atau bisa juga I like to drink suka minum jadi I like oke let's see. I like jangan drink dulu ya. I like eat aja. I like to eat bisa menjadi I like eating. Oke, this is for the example. Oke, from this explanation, do you get it? Kira-kira paham nggak tentang penjelasannya di awal tentang like and like to?
Understand.
Understand? Oke, Shasha, Dita, Ilham, Nisha.
Yes,
Understand.
Oke, that's good. Kalau ada yang belum paham, boleh banget ya untuk bilang, no, I don't get it. Boleh banget. Nanti bisa dibantu oleh Cap untuk membantu penjelasannya kembali. Oke, so that is the explanation about this. Oke, now we will continue to the next. Tadi udah ada dari Radit ya, for number two. Oke, selanjutnya ada yang mau mencoba lagi? Swim. I like swim. In spring, I like to swim. This from Radit. Oke, siapa yang mau coba lagi?
I want to try.
Oke, Dita, what's number?
Number 3.
Number three. Okay, please.
The best thing about spring is the comfortable air.
Okay, the best thing about spring is the
Air.
comfortable air. Oke, artinya gimana nih, Dita?
Hal terbaik tentang musim semi adalah udara yang nyaman.
Okay, that's good. The best thing about spring is the comfortable air. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Dita.
You're
Okay, so
welcome.
so this from Dita. Okay, next. Ada yang mau coba lagi? Ya, Radit, Dita, siapa lagi nih? Shasha, you wanna try? Oke, masih belum. Ilham, you wanna try Ilham? Oke, masih belum. How about Nisha? Oke, boleh banget ya untuk membuat kalimat di sini. Tiga, tiga anak nih, masih ada dua. Radit dan Dita. Shasha, mau coba Shasha?
Yeah,
Oke, which one?
number one.
Number one. Okay, please.
I know it is spring when I saw leaves are.
I see. Sorry.
I see when I see the leaves are
The leaves. Kenapa?
jatuh,
Oke, the leaves fall.
falling, fall.
Falling. Itu gitu ya.
Yeah,
Oke, I see the leaves falling. Jadi, I know it is spring when I see the leaves falling. Gitu ya?
yeah, yeah.
Oke, that's good. Oke, so this from Shasha. Oke, siapa lagi yang mau coba?
Yes, I can try.
Oke, Ilham. Which one?
Number two.
Number two. Okay, please.
In spring, I like to walk outside.
Okay, in spring, I like to walk outside. Oke, aku suka jalan-jalan di luar. Oke, that's great, Ilham. Oke, we have one, two, three, four. Oke, Nisha, mau coba Nisha? You can type it ya, Nisha. Oke, what is it? Okay, so that is for Sasha. I know it is spring when I see the leaves falling. And then for number two, in spring, I like to swim from Radit. And in spring, I like to walk outside from Ilham. And then for number three, the best thing about spring is comfortable air. Udara yang nyaman. Okay, that's good. Okay, gimana Nisha? For number, what's number? Mhm. Oke, sambil menunggu Nisha. Oke, it's okay Nisha. Nanti boleh di typing dulu ya. And then while waiting for Nisa, we will continue to this. Okay, so in this part here, okay, number 3, you can type it ya, boleh ditulis ya, bebas. You can type in the chat box. Sambil menunggu Nisha, I want you to choose this, match the word and phrases, and then play the games. Okay, so here you can match this, like frogs, cocok sama apa nih? Birds, apa, kids, kites, rabbits, flowers, rain, people, and bees. Nah, kalian harus mencocokkannya di sini nih. Number one, yang mana? Number two. Okay, so here from Nisha. The best thing about spring is seeing the flowers bloom. Jadi melihat bunga-bunga bermekaran. Okay, that's good, Nisa. The best thing about spring is seeing the flowers blooming. Okay, that's good. Thank you very much, Nisha. Okay, so that is from this. Okay, now we will continue to this part. Okay, now how about if we play games? Nah, di sini kan ada number one until number eight. Okay, now here, kalian bisa kasih coret-coretan nggak? Can you draw in the screen? Bisa gambar di layar? Oke, Ilham, Syasha, Dita, Nisha, Radit. Oke, bisa ya? Oke, karena bisa, bisa ganti warna juga nggak? Can you change the color? Bisa ganti warna nggak? Kan tadi biru semua nih. Oke, bisa ganti warna ya. Oke, now I will give the rules. For red, it will be Sasha. Yellow, it will be Radit. And then green, it will be siapa ya? Dita. And then black, it will be Ilham. And then for apa lagi ya warnanya? Blue. Blue, it will be Nisha. Nisha bisa nggak cari-cari Nisha? Bisa ya? Oke, bisa ya. Oke, warnanya udah keluar semua ya. Red Sasha, yellow Radit, green Dita, black Ilham, and blue Nisha. Oke, so now in this part I will clear all. Nah, udah dikosongin ya. Semuanya udah siap ya. Everyone is ready. Oke, so now I want you to fill. You can write for example. Nah, nanti misalnya karena Radit warnanya yellow nih. Oke, for example, yellow. Nah, nanti for example, ini contoh aja ya, nggak tahu ini benar apa salah. Jadi for frogs, langsung digambar seret. Berarti untuk nanti kelihatannya kalau warna kuning, ini jawabannya punya Radit. Jadi kalau nanti warna merah punya Sasha, green Dita, black Ilham, and blue is Nisha. Oke, are you ready everyone? Udah siap?
Yes, I'm ready.
Oke, that's good. Oke, because karena udah ready semua. Now I will count one until three, and then you can answer. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, please silakan mencoba untuk mencoret-coret. Okay, wait a minute ya. Sorry, sorry. Can you repeat again? Diulang kembali ya. Biar ketebalannya sama ya. Soalnya tebelnya beda-beda nih. Ada yang tipis, ada yang tebel, ada yang tebel. Sorry, sorry. Diulang. Let me repeat again ya. Oh, hilang tadi nggak tulisannya saya. Jadi untuk ketebalannya boleh diganti yang thick ya, biar agak tebel, biar kelihatan yang thick. Jadi bukan yang thin, bukan yang reguler, tapi yang thick. Pilihan yang ketiga, we have thick. Oke, so you can choose thick ya, yang tebel. Oke, now, oke tadi apa aja ya tadi? Can you mention your color? Ya, yang yellow tadi siapa? Yellow? Siapa yellow?
Radit.
Oke, yellow Radit. And then for black tadi adalah Ilham ya. Black Ilham. Oke, wait a minute. Sebentar ya, saya coret semua di sini aja, biar lebih jelas. Nah, di sini. Oke, so this for black Radit. Black Ilham, sorry. And yellow Radit. Blue, siapa blue? Blue Nisha. And then red, siapa? Red
Sasa.
Sasha. And then for apa tadi? Satu lagi. Dita tadi apa ya? Green ya?
Ya,
Oke, Dita green. Oke, now let's play. Jangan lupa ya diganti untuk ketebalannya yang thick. Yang kayak gini. Model gini. Kayaknya Nisha ketebalan deh. Yang kayak gini. Bukan yang paling tebal ya. Bukan yang bulk, tapi yang thick. Yang pilihan ketiga. Yang kayak gini. Oke. Oke, Ilham ketebalan ya Ilham. Ilham tebal banget nih Ilham. Agak ditipisin ya biar nanti. Oke, terlalu tipis Ilham. Yang pilihan yang ketiga ya. Kan ada thin, regular, and thick. Oke, now I will count 1 until 3. Kayaknya rapian kalau bukan gambar ya. Bisa nggak kasih yang line? Nah, line kayak gini bisa nggak? Yang line like this. Jadi nanti biar lebih teratur nih. Kayak gini ya. You can give the line. Oke, everyone please make a line ya. Okay, now I will count 1 until 3 and then you can start it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oke, silakan. Oke, masih ada kites belum? People masih belum nih. Masih ada rain. Oke, oke udah semua. Oke, banyak yang tabrak-tabrakan ya. It's okay. Okay, have done. Okay, thank you very much everyone for trying this. Now I will disable it. Okay, so here we have this. For prox here we have two. We have, who is she? This is for Nisha and Radit and Ilham ya. And then for birds, we have, siapa ini cuma satu? Only one. We have Red, Shasha. Okay, flying. Okay, wait a minute. Udah ada frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Udah ada 8 ya. Jadi untuk frogs, itu adalah croaking. Jadi ya, croaking. And then birds, itu birds. Kalau birds singing ya. Ciu, 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 ciu. Jadi birds singing. Kalau people, itu gardening ya. Kalau people. Jadi people itu gardening. Kalau kites, itu flying. Baru clouds. Terus ada rabbit. Rabbit itu adalah hopping. And then flowers we have blooming. And then for rain, this is falling, people gardening, and bees buzzing. Oke, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih kira-kira?
Oh,
Gimana? Tadi?
no.
No. Oke, there is no question. Jadi untuk yang tadi, frogs itu adalah croaking. Jadi kayak ngorek ya. Kodok ngorek, croaking. And then for birds, singing. Jadi untuk burungnya bernyanyi ya, atau berkicau. The birds is singing. And then for kites, kites is flying. Jadi untuk layangannya adalah terbang. Kites flying. And then for flowers, blooming. And then rain falling. People gardening and bees buzzing. Berdengung. Okay, here we have this. Okay, that's good everyone. Udah jawab semua ya. Ada Radit. Okay, let me count ya. Oke, oke, oke. Oke, ada yang salah. It's okay. Nggak apa ya salah. Karena kita masih mencoba-coba. It's okay to be not to be okay. Tidak apa-apa, tidak menjadi okay. Okay, good job everyone. Thank you very much for trying in this section, spring collection. Okay, that's good. Okay, then after this part, we will continue to the next. We will have, okay, here. Describe what you see and draw. Nah, nggak usah draw ya. I want you to describe this. We have two pictures. So this is for the first picture. And then this for the second pictures. Ada dua foto nih. So you can open PDF that I've sent. Bisa membuka PDF yang udah dikirim tadi nih. So this is for the picture number 1. And this for the picture number 2. And then you can choose which one do you want to do. Jadi bebas mau pilih yang picture number 1 or number 2. You can give the description. Boleh kasih deskripsi ya untuk picture number 1 and picture number 2. Jadi boleh membuat deskripsi singkat. Jadi jangan terlalu pendek ya, tapi bisa agak panjang nih. For the example, for the picture number one, Cap bakal bikin contoh nih. For the picture number one, give the description for picture number one. So student A, if you choose this, for the example, in the morning, I go to the park. Pada pagi hari, aku pergi ke taman. And I invite I go to the park with my dog. Aku pergi ke taman dengan anjingku, and I can see a lot of view. Aku bisa melihat banyak sekali pemandangan, like bird flying in the bird flies in the sky, burung-burung berterbangan di langit, and then the flowers bloom, bunga-bunga bermekaran, and the sky is clear. Langitnya cerah. Nah, this is for the short description about the picture number. For the first picture. Jadi untuk picture yang pertama nih. Jadi I go to the park and I go to the park with my dog. In the park, I can see a lot of view. In the sky, I see bird flies. I can see bird flies. And then for the flower, I can see the flower blooming. That is for the example ya. Itu adalah untuk contohnya. So now if you want to try, you can make it. Oke, silakan membuat ya. Oke, from this comment, do you understand about the comment? Kalian paham tentang perintahnya? Syasha, Radit, Dita,
Yes.
Nisa, oke. Radit, Ilham,
Yes.
oke. Oke, I will give you time around 3
Ya,
minutes. Oke, 3 menit ya. You can make it short description about the pictures. So it feels free to choose picture A or picture B. Bebas mau pilih picture yang A or B. You can make your own description. Jadi kalau misalnya kalian nebak ini, misalnya kalau kayak kan ini mikirnya ini anjing ya. Kalau kalian mikir ini serigala atau rubah atau apa boleh banget ya. Jadi nggak harus kayak yang mirip gitu. Jadi it feels free to say. Jadi it depends on your imagination. Atau mau bilang kalau ini bukan burung, ini pesawat, boleh banget. Jadi it depends on your imagination. Okay, so you can make it by your own. If you have any question, you can raise your hand ya. Kalau ada pertanyaan, boleh banget untuk bertanya ya. Don't be shy, jangan malu-malu. Oke, dan juga ya, kalau ada yang belum mengisi email, boleh banget untuk mengisi email ya. Tapi sepertinya udah semua ya. Oke, let me check. Oke, Ilham belum ngisi email ya. Ilham nanti boleh isi email ya. Di grup nanti akan di-resend. Sementara yang sudah isi email ada Tara, Nandita, Shasha, Nisha, dan Radit. Jadi boleh banget ya. Nanti kalau udah selesai boleh banget untuk mengisi email. Jadi dikasih nama dan juga alamat emailnya ya. Untuk Tara ada elvinzakatara@gmail.com, Nandita double N, Nandita salsabila@gmail.com. Sasha ada Amelia91@gmail.com. Nisha ada aidanisha.arunika@gmail.com. And for Radit, Raditya Angga Putra 5@gmail.com. Dan nanti untuk kurang Ilham ya, Ilham nanti bisa isi email di grup. Bisa dikasih nama dan juga email. Okay, now, if you want to try, you can raise your hand. Udah selesai? Kalau ada yang sudah selesai, boleh banget untuk angkat tangan ya. Atau boleh banget untuk say direct. So we have three characteristics. Thumper. Sorry, we have three rabbits. Thumper, Peter Rabbit, and Bugs Bunny. Ada Pete. Ada tiga ya. Dan kalian mendengarkan lagi audionya dan dicari nih. Yang wise siapa, yang nakal siapa, yang pintar siapa, yang percaya diri siapa, yang menawan siapa, yang banyak akal siapa, yang menggemaskan siapa, yang adventures atau suka berpetualang siapa, dan yang penasaran siapa. Jadi ada 10, ada 9 ya, 9 adjectives atau 9 kata sifat. Oke, from here, from these 9 adjectives, which one you don't know? Yang mana nih yang kalian nggak tahu? Apakah udah tahu semuanya? Or we should translate it the adjectives. Apa kita harus mentranslate semuanya?
No.
Oke, berarti Radit tahu semuanya ya?
Ya.
Oke, that's good. Shasha, Ilham, Dita,
Wise
do
tuh
you
apa?
know
Wise. Wise.
wise? Wise itu bijaksana ya?
Oh, oke.
Oke. Kalau mischievous ini adalah nakal. Smart,
Kalau
pintar,
kalau
apalagi
curious,
curious. Curious itu penasaran ya. Penasaran. Confident, percaya diri. Charming, menawan. Resourceful, banyak akal. Adorable, menggemaskan. Adventures, suka berpetualang. Dan curious, penasaran. Jadi dia penasaran. Kira-kira udah tahu semuanya? Ilham, Syasha, Radit, Dita, Nisha?
yes.
Yes.
Yes, oke. Kalau ada yang dibingungkan boleh banget tanya ya. Daripada nanti tersesat, hilang di jalan. Oke, we will listen again the audio. Dan jadi kalian biasa siapin nih, bisa siapin paper, terus dicari, dibuat voice siapa. Gini aja deh. Kita kasih tadi. Kan bisa kasih centang nggak? Oh, centangnya nggak bisa diwarna ya. Oke, wait. Jadi sama kayak tadi ya. Wait a minute. Oke, so here we will make again here. Silahkan diberi tandain ya. Salah, salah. Wait a minute. We will have this. Okay, black Ilham, yellow Radit, red Shasha, blue Nisha, and green Dita. Jadi nanti dikasih coretan ya, bisa dikasih shred gini aja nggak apa. Tapi jangan panjang-panjang ya, nanti temannya ketutupan. Jadi kasih shred gini aja. Shred, shred, shred. Jangan terlalu panjang. Oke, so jadi nanti kalau kalian udah dengerin, yang pertama tadi jangan lupa ya, the first audio adalah Thumper, the second Peter Rabbit, and then for the third Bugs Bunny. Jadi untuk yang nanti kalian
Yap,
dengerin Thumper,
yap.
gimana Radit?
Ini kok nggak ada buat coret-coretnya ya?
Udah ada coret-coretnya gimana? Tadi kan bisa coret-coret kan? Sekarang hilang
Iya.
gitu.
Hilang dia nggak ada.
Oke, let me reshare screen lagi ya. Share screen ulang biar ada. Oke, udah ada belum?
Belum ada.
Kayak ada logo pensil di situ? Nggak ada?
Oh, nggak ada itu. Logonya itu udah nggak ada.
Sorry, 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 sorry. Oh, oke, sekarang udah ada.
Udah.
Oke, please. Oke, sekarang coba semuanya coba coret-coret ya, bisa nggak? Can you do it? Oke, Dita, Syasha, Ilham, Nisha. Oke, jangan apa Ilham bukan yang centang ya, karena centangnya cuma bisa warna hijau. Jadi biar warnanya bisa bervariasi dikasih line. Nah, kayak coretan gini aja, pendek aja. Jadi nanti bisa kasih titik atau kasih apa biar kelihatan dikit. Jadi biar nggak panjang gitu. Oke, now we will start again. Kita akan mulai lagi. Oke, I will count 1 until 3. Oke, no, bukan count ya. We will start the audio. Kita akan mulai audionya. Jangan lupa untuk audio pertama, Thumper. Audio nomor 2, Peter Rabbit. And audio number 3, Bugs Bunny. Oke, now let's listen. Oke, kalian mau di number 1 atau di slow? Normal atau slow?
Slow.
Slow?
Slow.
Gitu. Slow ya. Oke, agak sedikit slow. 0,75. Oh, tadi udah slow loh, 0,75 ya. Tadi udah nggak apa. Okay, we will listen again.
Rabbit 1. He is an adorable, curious rabbit with an unforgettable laugh. He lives in the forest with his good friend Bambi, a young fawn. When Bambi was born, Thumper showed him how to walk and talk. They go on many adventures together in the forest, and Thumper, who has a positive outlook on life, teaches Bambi valuable lessons about life with wise words of advice. Rabbit 2. He is a charming, mischievous rabbit who lives with his mother and 3 sisters in a small home down a rabbit hole. He is far more adventurous than his siblings. He loves to sneak into Mr. McGregor's garden and steal his vegetables, even though it is dangerous, and he often gets into trouble. He has a cheeky grin and always wears a blue jacket. Rabbit 3. He is a smart, confident rabbit who loves carrots. He is famous for his catchphrases, including, what's up, Doc? He enjoys outsmarting his enemies, like Elmer Fudd and Daffy Duck, who always cheat and threaten him. With his resourceful skills, he creates crazy ideas and schemes to beat them.
Oke, belum ada yang coret-coret ya? Atau belum paham? Gimana? Oke, boleh dicoret-coret langsung ya. Oke, silakan dicoret-coret. Okay, I will give the transition here. Oke, punya temennya jangan ditimpa ya. Nanti nggak kelihatan punya temennya. Oke, we have Ilham hitam, and then for yellow rabbit, and then red Shashal, blue Nisha. Wait. And the last green Dita. Oke, have you done? Udah selesai semua? Oke, I will count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Okay, now let's find the answer here. From the first year, we have for Thumper. So Thumper is wise, adorable, and curious. Jadi untuk jawabannya adalah yang wait, I will give okay this. This. Salah. Wait. So for Thumper is this, adorable, and curious. Oke, berarti ini udah ada Ilham dan juga Nisha, benar. Lalu ada Nisha, Shasha, dan juga Ilham. Ini warna apa sih? Ini warna hijau ya? Oke, Dita ya. Dita juga benar. Lalu di Curious juga ada Nisha, Shasha, dan juga Radit. Oke, untuk adventuresnya ini untuk Nisha dan Ilham dan Radit salah ya. Oke, nanti kalau misal Cap salah sebutin nama kalian boleh banget ya. Cap itu bukan warna saya gitu ya. Atau Cap itu warna saya loh gitu. Jadi boleh banget. Siapa tahu Capnya agak nggak kelihatan. Soalnya warna abu-abu dan juga warna hijaunya agak mirip nih. Oke, for Peter Rabbit we have mischievous here, and then we have charming, and then we have adventures. Oke, ada 3 ya. Mischievous, charming, and adventures. Oke, di sini udah ada Dita dan juga Shasha. Ada Shasha benar sendiri nih. And then we have siapa lagi nih? Oke, ini ada yang ditimpa ya punyanya. Radit, Nisha, Dita, dan juga Shasha. Okay, that's good for Peter Rabbits. Okay, next for Bugs Bunny, we have for the answer is smart. Okay, this is for smart. And then we have confident. Yeah, that's correct. And then we have resourceful. Banyak akal. Okay, we have 3 here. Okay, that's great. So this is for smart. We have Ilham, Dita, Sasha, and Radit. And then for confident, we have Dita, Sasha, and Radit. And then for resourceful, we have Nisha, only Nisha. Okay, that's good, everyone. Okay, that's great, everyone. Terima kasih sudah mencoba di sesi seperti ini. Good job. Jadi untuk tadi, boleh banget. Oke, cap screenshot ya, nanti buat dokumentasi untuk bagiannya yang di sini. I will save it. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now everyone, do you have any questions? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih? Ilham, Shasha, Radit, Nisha, Dita,
No.
dia? No?
No.
Okay. Okay, if you don't have any question, we will take picture together. Kita akan foto bersama-sama. So now, please open your camera. We will take picture together. Kita akan foto bersama-sama. Okay, so we have Dita here. So Nisha, Ilham, Radit, and Shasha. You can open your camera. Okay, we have Dita, Shasha, Ilham here, Radit. Oke, kira-kira Nisha, you can open your camera atau juga masih error? Oke, sepertinya Nisha masih saya. Oke, now I will count 1 until 3 and give me your best pose. Oke, 1, 2, 3. Oke, one more time without the material ya, satu lagi tanpa materinya. Oke, I will count 1 until 3. Oke, 1, 2, 3. Oke, let me save it first. Oke, that's good, everyone. Good job. Oke, thank you very much, everyone. Oke, untuk kali ini gak ada speakernya ya, gak ada yang baca. Jadi untuk speakernya akan ada next week on Monday ya, pada hari Senin ya.